We offer multi-region, S3 compatible object storage. How do we do it? We're going to dive in here and really demystify this for you. The secret sauce is the protocol. The Storj Protocol is a protocol that lives underneath the S3 protocol, and it allows us to distribute data across tens of thousands of nodes globally, guaranteeing the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data. This is also the secret sauce that gets us incredible parallelized performance. The network is made up of three key elements running this protocol. The nodes are where the data is stored, and again, those are tens of thousands of servers spread across the globe or in the region you wish to have your data present. The application, or applications in this case, is our S3 compatible gateway. This is a globally present gateway using Anycast BGP so that you can use one namespace to get to your data no matter where you are on the globe. And finally, the satellite. The satellite is where the metadata is stored. It does the accounting, and it manages the Storj services.